it's me, your friendly neighborhood alien. So today we're doing this look right here, which is another installment of my Palette A to Z series. If you're new here, I do Palette A to Z. I recently started this, so I'm still in the A's. I'm going through my entire eyeshadow palette collection, which is insanely large, going alphabetically by the name of the palette and using them just to remember that I have them, to remember to love them, maybe declutter them if they're just not doing it for me anymore. Yeah, so right now we're still in the A's and we are on Alien, which is from Jeffree Star. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed, we can move on to fun stuff. Here is Alien. Whoa, the light from Jeffree Star. I asked my boyfriend to pick a color and he picked Titan. Which is this shade here, and I was like, pick another color. So then he picked Space Cowboy, which is this color here that I'm trying to show you. So I think I know what I'm gonna do, so I'm just kind of like gonna jump into it. So I'm gonna start with Space Cowboy and put that like, I think I'm just gonna do like really simple with this. So I'm just going to put this right out here. Oh yeah, it is more like gray than it looks in the pan. Perfect. So I'm going to put this out here. My mirror's filthy. And through the crease. Oh Lord help me. And then I'm going to take Titan. And I'm going to blend over these edges to kind of clean it up a little bit, because your girl went a little crazy. And it's also going to work as my highlight. And then, here I'm going to take Space Cowboy again, put it all the way across, and just make sure I'm connecting to this outer portion here. And then back in with Titan again, kind of diffuse that edge a little bit. And then I'm gonna take Pluto. I forgot what palette I was using for a second and I was gonna call it Ranch. Wrong palette. And I'm gonna put that all in this blank space. Because the Space Cowboy was darker than I remember it being, so I want to keep this really bright so my eye doesn't look so heavy. There we go. And I'm also going to use that as my inner corner highlight, so right in here too. Okay, so here's the eyeshadow done. Who knew I was doing a full-blown smoky eye today? That's that. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then we'll be yes, scatting back to finish the rest of the face. So here are the eyes done. Nice and smoky, but not complicated. So let's finish off the face. You can see how tan my body is compared to my face. Okay, I'm going to contour with the contour shade, which is called Silhouette, in the Cover FX face palette. Give myself some ample cheekbones here. Like I'm like really trying to go in and get cheekbones. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Cover FX Sunkissed bronze, the matte side, because it's a little deeper and I could use the extra color. Look at my body. For blush, I'm going to use Mood Exposure from Hourglass. So you wanted something that's like kind of nothing. So I'm just gonna slap this on my cheeks. And before I highlight, I'm going to go in with the finishing powder in the Cover FX palette. This is called Stellar. I'm actually going to try and take this Brightener shade that's in here. It's called Moonbeam. Yeah. And use that as highlight, I think. Oh, yeah. because the other two highlights in here aren't really like the tone that I want. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Down the nose, and then don't forget your Cupid's bow. For lip, I don't know if this is going to match now, because the eye turned out different than it looked in the pan, but I'm going to put on Shane from the Jeffree Shane collection. Alright, I actually like how this looks. It's kind of freaky, and I'm a little into it, so I'm just going to spray my face. Alright, I turned the light down a little bit so you can maybe like see the vision that I'm seeing a little bit better, because I feel like it's not really showing on camera. This Pluto shade in real life looks like Shane, it's just lighter. Like the camera is making this Pluto color look brighter though, but like in real life this definitely goes together. I don't even care really if it doesn't. I think this is a cool look. So yeah, this is the finished look with Alien. What did I do with it? With Alien from Jeffree Star. In case you're new here, I probably explained this in the intro already. I do these videos to, first of all, remember what I have and to see if I still like them and maybe declutter them. I'm going to tell you right now, nothing from Jeffree Star is going to get decluttered. I love everything. This one is probably like my least used palette from him. Yeah. But I love it. If I need these like greeny gold colors and stuff, I have them in here. But like his formula is just unbeatable. So I'm gonna keep buying his stuff, and I love this palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!